There are three types of keywords. We have the single keywords, we have the short keywords, and we have the long tail keywords. What are the basic difference between these types of keywords? One, the single keyword is more generic. You don't get specific answers. The short keywords give you more specific answers, but it's not definite enough. While the long tail keywords gives you more in-depth, it's more precise answers when you're looking for. Like, okay, how to sew at home with just needle and thread. You're specific. You're telling, okay, I want to do sewing from home. I need needle and thread. How do I do that? It's different from when you just say how to sew. It's different from when you say sewing. So the kind of results you get depends on the kind of keywords you use. Now, as a content creator, you need to know how each of these keywords works for you. Now, for the single keywords, it has high volume, but it doesn't give you much value because it's not specific. When people search for dogs, there are 1,000,001 pages that has a dog content. So what exactly differentiates you from the other guy that is also talking about dog? Do you talk about dog food while the other guy talk about dog breeds? So it has the long tail keywords, though it has low volume, but it gives you high value. It gives you more leads. It gives you more conversion because it tells people the specifics of what you do. It tells people the definite thing you do. So as a content creator and as a brand, it is more advisable that you use long tail keywords. It is more specific, it is more definite. It tells people exactly what they're going to find on your page. And most searchers these days are also trying to use more long tail keywords because they have definite needs they are looking for. But in a situation where they use short keywords or single keywords like iPhone, it means they just want generic information about iPhone. They're not specific. But when they use short keywords like iPhone pouch or iPhone earbuds, then you know, okay, this is the particular thing you're looking for. When you now say, okay, where can I get iPhone earbuds around me? That's where you come in.